Students, now we are going to solve the problems based on Kirchhoff laws. So this is a circuit given. They are asked that calculate the current I1. What is this current I1 value? So how we can find the direction of the current means from positive to negative only the current will flow. So this is the positive terminal of the battery, 4-volt battery. So what will happen? So the current I will comes here. At this junction the current will be split into two. So here is the I1 current. The remaining current I minus I1 will be goes here. So the I1 current comes here through the 20 ohm resistor. This is a current I1. Okay. So through this 5 volt cell I1 minus I2 will be goes, and through the resistors to 200 ohm I1 minus I minus I1 current will be flows through that. And when it is comes here, what will happen? So this I1 comes here and this 2 will be added minus subtracted, we get only I current. So that will be given in the question itself. If even the current direction is not shown, you can draw very clearly. So what is the first step? You have to take the traversing direction. Applying the Kirchhoff voltage law in PQRP. So this is the traversing direction, clockwise direction. As usual we can take that. So current direction and traversing direction are same. So this is the resistance R, this is the current I. So I into R, 20 I1. Then again comes here. So traversing direction, same direction only it comes. I into 60, that is a plus 60I. Why it is plus? Because in this direction and in this direction, both the traversing direction is along the current direction, which is equal to EMF. So the EMF traversing is from negative to positive. You take it as a 4. For this loop, so what is the traversing direction? If you are moving like this, I1 minus I1 into 200. I minus I1 into 200. If you are come like this, the current direction is opposite to the traversing direction. So minus I1 20. So that is a minus 20 I1. Then again the traversing direction is from positive to negative in the EMF. So it is a minus 5. So minus 5. Dividing by 5 on. So that is a 200 I minus 200 I1 minus 20 I1. So 200 I1 and 20 I1 is a 220 I1 is there. So divided by 5 on whole equation we get 40 I minus 44 I, which is equal to minus 1. So if you solve these two equations, we get the solution of I1. So in the first equation multiply by 2 and the second equation you multiply by 3. So you get that I will be cancelled. So 120 I, here the 40 I1 is equal to 8 and the minus 132 I1 is equal to minus 3. So if you take the second equation and first equation, we have to multiply the numbers, make that one of the concept become cancelled. So in our question the I1 has to be calculated. So we make it as I as a cancelled 1. So we get 172 I1 is equal to 11. So I1 is equal to 11 by 172, which is equal to 0.064 ampere. So very simple, students. Again we will see the another problem to understand the concept very clearly. So the two cells of EMF 1.5 and 2 volt, internal resistance 1 ohm and 2 ohm. So 1.5 internal resistance is 1 ohm and 2 voltage cell is 2 ohm respectively, are connected in parallel. So both the cells are connected in parallel so as to send the current in the same direction through the external resistance 5 ohm. So both the cells current will be in the same direction. So it will be flows through the resistor 5 ohm. So that is given here. So first question is draw the circuit. So we have to draw the two cells in parallel. So that is a EMF E1 and EMF E2. That is internal resistance R1 and R2. Both are in parallel. And it will be parallel with the 5 ohm external resistor. So the current will be, this E1 current will be I1 and E2 current will be I2. Both will be meet here, and here the I1 plus I2 will be flows through the resistance 5 ohm resistors and will be moving here. This is a circuit diagram. What is the second question? Using the Kirchhoff laws, calculate the current through the each branch. So very simple, students. First we can take that A, B, C, F. So that is we can take that A, F, C, B, A circuit. So in A, F, C, B, A circuit you take a traversing direction. Very slowly we can going to do that. So first one is I1. I1 is opposite to the traversing direction. So minus I1. What is the resistance? 1. So minus 1 I1. So we can write that minus 1 I1. next one is, if you come like this, so the I2 is here, the direction, this is a current I2, this is a current I2 comes here. So I2 and R2, the traversing direction is in the same direction, plus 2I2. So we can write plus 2I2. So according to Kirchhoff voltage law, the current will be equal to the EMFs. Now we can see that we are in the traversing direction. Positive to negative means minus E1 and negative to positive means plus E2. So this is a minus 1.5. This is a plus 2 volt. So minus 1.5 plus 2 volt. If you remember the sign convention very clearly, it is easy for you students. Otherwise it is confused. So if the current is along the direction of the traversing, it is a positive. If it is opposite, negative. If the positive to negative is cells means you put minus sign, and if the traversing direction is negative to positive, you can take it as a positive EMF. So that is given in the first equation. So the second equation is Kirchhoff's law. So you can say that, so I1 R1 and the traversing direction are same. So I1 plus I2 5. So I1 plus I2 into 5 is a plus. Then what will happen? Traversing direction is 1 and current is I1. So traversing direction and current direction are in the same direction. So plus I1, which is equal to, what is the EMF? The traversing direction is in this direction, clockwise direction in this direction. Negative to positive, you take it as a EMF as a plus E1, that is plus 1.5. So by solving these two equations, so what we will get? So multiply as earlier, solving these two equations, 1 into 6 and 2 into 1. So 1 into 6. Why we are multiplying with the 6? So here it is a minus 1 I1. It is a plus 6 I1. So in order to calculate the cancel the I1, I multiply with 6. So by solving, we get I2 which is equal to 4.5 by 17 ampere. Then substituting this I2 in this equation, that is this equation, we get I1 is equal to this one. So I will show this very clearly. So 12 plus 5, 17 I2, this will get cancelled. It is a 4.5. So if you bring this 17 here, I2 is a 4.5, 17 ampere. Then again you substitute this I2 in this first equation. What will happen? 2 into I2 minus I1 is equal to 0.5. So this 0.5 will become a negative and I1 become a positive. And again 9 by 17 minus 0.5 is a 1 by 2. So by doing this LCM, we get an answer. I1 is equal to 1 by 34 ampere. So very simple students. By solving this circuit, remaining thing will be very easy. Then the total current I1 plus I2 which is equal to, adding the I1 plus I2, we get 10 by 34. The potential difference across the 5 ohm resistor is V is equal to IR. So I1 plus I2 into I, we get 50 by 34 which is equal to 1.47 volt. So dear students, so very important thing is sign convention. So I will give the problems based on this Kirchhoff laws as an assignment. So you practice on your own. Thank you students.